Frog here, and today I'm going to be doing a Rubik's Cube video. I've been doing a lot of Rubik's Cube videos lately, and this one is about patterns that you can do on Rubik's Cubes. So, we're just going to start off easy. Let's just get right into it. We're just going to start off easy with the checkerboard. So, you can hold it from any side and then do M2. And then just flip it to the side and then do M2 again. And then flip it like that and then do M2. That's the checkerboard. How to do it, how to redo it, just do the same thing again. There, there, and there. Same. Now we're just going to go to the flower. I think that's what it's called. Yeah. Or the donut, I guess. I don't know. It depends on what you call it. So this one's a bit easier where you have all the centers in different places. So this one's a bit easier to remember. You do M and then flip it to the side. Then do oh yeah, so you do M interclockwise or counterclockwise, then you do flip it to the side, and then do that, then M counterclockwise again, or like, okay, M counterclockwise, flip it to the side, M counterclockwise, flip it to the side, M counterclockwise, flip it to the side, M counterclockwise, flip it to the side. Now, like the checkerboard pattern is not the same. You can just solve it again in any place. Just look anywhere on the cube and look at the middle. Find it. This color is gonna either be here, or the surrounding color is gonna either be here, 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 or here. In this case, it's in the top. So you just wanna put the middle up to the red. Then you look at the top, the red. Then you move that over. Then you move that back down, and then you move that. And that's it solved. Now we're going to go to a bit of a different one. Now we're gonna go for it's a plus sign, yeah. So I don't know the exact algorithm. I just found this out by myself. I'm not sure if this is it, but you do M2, U2, M2, U2, then go to the side, any side, and then do the same thing. M2, U2, M2, U2. Then you have this. Now all you have to do is just do that. Or flip it to the side and do M2. Then you have this, which is the plus sign. Yeah. Let me just... And how to solve it? Just put this back and do M2, U2, M2, U2, and then do M2, U2, M2, U2, like this. Done. This one is a kind of a different one. This one is, well, it's not, I mean, it's kind of the same. It's the same one. It's kind of the same as the plus, but you have these, parts, the checkerboard. So this is how you do it. It's actually a really easy algorithm. You do this. It's kind of hard to remember. Well, it's like kind of hard movements. So you do put this down, put this up like that, then do that again. Or then do M counterclockwise, Then do that again. There. And now you have this side, or all of this, with the checkerboard on top. Not just the yellow side with the checkerboards on top. Then you have all of that. How to fix it? You do, what do you do? Oh yeah, just do the same algorithm, but make sure this is on the top. Done. This one's a kind of hard one. It's F, L, F, UI, RI, or U, yeah, UI, R, U, F2, L2, UI, LI, B, DI, BI, L2, U. Then you have that. How to fix it? It's kind of hard because you have to find the right one. You can't just like go here and then do the algorithm. You have to make sure that when you do it, you have this one or this one that connects with this one. So this one can go with this one. That's what you have to make sure. So this is the algorithm. UI, L2, B, D, BI, L, U, L2, F2, UI, RI, U, FI, LI, F, or FI. Then it's solved. So yeah, that's my video. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please give me a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys later. Goodbye. Hey guys, it's the Mighty Frog here. DI, BI, and then U,